Hey guys, in this 2025 guide, I'll show you how to connect Stripe and PayPal payment gateways to your hosting a Horizons web app so you can accept payments seamlessly. First, log into your Hostinger dashboard and open your Horizons web app project. Go to Settings and then Payments to see the available payment options. To connect Stripe, click Connect Stripe, then log into your Stripe account and allow access. Set your currency, payment methods, and test mode if needed. Next, for PayPal, click Connect PayPal. Sign into your PayPal business account and grant permissions. Adjust any payment preferences like instant checkout or currency options. After both gateways are connected, you can create products or subscription plans in your web app. Test a small transaction to make sure both Stripe and PayPal are working correctly. Once confirmed, your users can pay securely through either option on your web app. And that's how to connect Stripe and PayPal to hosting a Horizons web app in 2025. If this helped you set up payments, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fast web app tutorials.